Hey there, we're baking a cake.
A very yummy cake. Very 好吃.
To make one, you first add flour, then eggs, then a very 好吃 ingredient, sugar.
Yummy. 好吃.
Tantan, do the honors.
Yes, chef.
Tantan, you added salt, not sugar. This is not yummy. 不好吃.
I'm sorry, chef.
That's all right. We can still make it yummy. 好吃. Tantan, add strawberries.
Yes, chef. Strawberries are yummy. 好吃.
Ugh, Tantan, this is too sour. You added cranberries, not strawberries.
Oh no! Chef, I'm so sorry.
I'm afraid the cake won't be yummy. 不好吃.
Oh, hey! Chef, I know how we can make it yummy. We add honey.
Ah, yes. Honey is 好吃. Yummy. But let me add it this time.
That's one 好吃 cake, chef.
Yes, good thinking, Tantan. Honey makes everything yummy. 好吃.
See you next time.
Bibi says she hopes you're enjoying the show and to subscribe to the channel so we can be friends. She also wants you to check out the Miaomiao apps for more Chinese learning and fun. See you next time!